Writer Tom Peters said, regardless of the business we happen to be in, all of us need to understand the importance of personal branding. To be in business today, our most important job is to be the head marketer of the brand called you. Today we're talking personal branding. Now let's leave a good impression. Personal branding is the means by which people remember you. It's a combination of how you present yourself online and offline. Sounds kind of like an abstract thing, right? Like, how do you manage your personal brand? Step number 1, be yourself. I know that sounds like a cliche, but I gotta tell you that one so you can avoid your brand being a bunch of other cliches. That's super boring. You are unique, so let that show. Be real and clear about the image you intend to project. Remember, you are the brand. Number 2, ask yourself questions. What do I add that's remarkable, measurable, offers distinctive value? What do I want people to associate with me when they hear my name? Do I want people to think of me as an expert in a certain field? What makes me unique? Who is my audience? All great questions to get you thinking about your brand. Number 3, build and audit your online presence. Your brand message needs to be consistent across all platforms. This means your resume and LinkedIn profile should be in sync. You don't want to apply to a job and they go check out your LinkedIn profile and it's a vacation selfie lounging on the beach. It's just not a good look. Unless you're a lifeguard or something, maybe it'll work then, but for the rest of us, we got to stick to professional headshots. Number 4, this one's pretty easy. Just make yourself available to others. Maintain a positive and professional appearance. Number 5, stay relevant in your industry. Keep up with the trends, understand what's valuable in the current moment, because if that's something that you can do, then you can associate yourself with something that people are looking for. Number 6, keep it brief, because if you give people too much to remember, then they won't. Now let's see some examples of personal branding statements. Student in marketing specializing in social media campaigns and creative marketing solutions. Trustworthy and reliable career counseling intern recognized for strong organizational and communication skills. Student leader with a passion for social justice, civic responsibility, and grassroots campaigning. These are pretty basic brand statements, but they give you a good idea of who these people are professionally. So now you can figure out your own brand statement and find something that fits you. For more info on personal branding and all things career services, you can visit us at CSLD.SFSU.EDU. That is all I got for now. I hope I was able to help. I'll see you next time.